welcome back to my channel. Here we talk about all things faith, family, and health. So if you're interested in any of that, go ahead and watch the video, see if it's something you like. Remember to give a thumbs up and subscribe if you like it. So let's get into it. So today is a little bit of a different video. So normally we talk about those other things, but I wanted to share my top 5 favorite items that I am loving right now, okay? So we're gonna get right into it. Number 1, my hair. Extension locks, and I'll put everything, all the information will be on the screen. Also, everything will be linked in the description box, so just look in there. My hair has been the one thing that I have been enjoying a lot. So these are permanent locks, but they are extension locks. So I used my hair and combined the extension locks with it, and that is how I got this hair. Now, I will say when I first got it, and I've had it in for maybe 5 or 6 months, love the hair. I wish I would have done this sooner. I don't know why I waited so late to get locks. I don't know why. But if you're on the fence about it, let me help you convince you. Get the locks. It is so worth it. You wake up, put your hair in a ponytail, you are good to go. Wake up, just put some oils on your hair, or at night before you go to bed. Like, it's the easiest thing ever. And you always look put together. Like, you don't have bad hair days. It's always a good hair day. But, so I will tell you, so I did the burn test when I first got the hair. And then I also washed the hair because you don't know whose hair this is. You just want to wash it. So I did wash the hair and did like the little burn test to make sure that the hair was real. From there, then we just kind of put the locks in. So that's kind of how we did that. Now, I've done so many different styles with this hair, and I will show pictures and videos and stuff in here. So like, it's a little bit of a curl going on now. So it's so easy to curl your hair. All you have to do is like wet it down, put a little mousse on it, and then you just do like a braid, and you could do like a braid out or a twist, and your hair would twist up. So simple. Like, you just got to make sure that it's fully dry. If you guys want me to do videos on it, I definitely will do some videos as well. But the easiest thing ever. The other thing I have been enjoying is curls, and I bought this separate, but it's like kinky curly hair. And you know how all I do is I just braid mine into here, and I'll show pictures of this too. You put it into here like that, and then you could put a little something on it and just twist it up. And it's a cute little curl. You could put it at the top, you can put it at the bottom. It do not matter. It is just, I love this hair, and you could take it in, you could put it out, these little curly ones, and it just kind of gives your hair like a different look. Like if you wanted to go out somewhere fancy or whatever you wanted to do, but I have been loving these as well. This is the color, I believe, 1B, and I'll put that on the screen as well. That's the second thing I've been enjoying. Another thing I've been enjoying is playing around with different colors. This As I Am, the curl color, I love it. It is thick. I will tell you, it's thick. I got the gold one, and I used a lot more of the gold. I got gold and copper, and it is just really, really, really pretty. Now, I will say a downside to this is that it's messy. So put a towel around you before you do it and dry your hair. Definitely dry your hair, because you don't want that going everywhere. And it will rub off. So we don't want it to rub off. So that's one of the things you definitely want. But it stays until you actually wash your hair. So put it on, it stays until you wash your hair, and then you're good to go. And they have it in like blue, green, all different colors, just fun colors and a bit of a different style. But this is really nice. Next thing I have been enjoying is this Warrior palette by Juvia's. I have the orange on right now. I wear this palette all the time. Sorry, it is dirty because it is not clean. I use it all the time. But so cute. So cute for women of color. And it kind of like is a little picture right there, I guess, of how they would wear it. But so cute. I love this palette. It is long wearing. Now, I do put on a little bit of concealer beforehand on my eyes and everything. But when I put it on, it's on the whole day. The color stays, the color pops. I just use my little brush, put some on, and we're good to go. Every time I wear this, I always get compliments. It is so cute, this product here. But yeah, just something that if you are into makeup, there you go. When I got my locks, I was like, how do people sleep in this? Because I don't want lint in my hair. So I went through 4 different scarves and little bonnets trying to fit all this hair into there. You guys, this one right here, y'all, look at this one right here. So it goes on like this, and I'm sorry it's dirty, but I wear it. Like, let's just keep it real with all the oils. But it goes on like this, and then you put in this long, so you put your all the way in there. It's like really, really long, and all your hair goes in this bonnet. Like, this bonnet is everything. I'm telling you, I went through a few of them because I was like, I really need a bonnet, but I didn't want to have my hair all scrunched up just to do that. So that's another thing I've been loving, is this bonnet. I've been enjoying is my Inspire Bible, a journaling Bible. So if you like to journal, if you like you can put stickers on the side, you can put like little sorts of stuff, you can highlight it, you can color it, you can do like right there. I started doing that part right there. It's so relaxing. It is that thing that I love. You could go back and be like, okay, what was I talking about? What did I talk about over there? And then there's like a little spot for that. Trust God and the things that I highlighted, and just very, very, very nice. Love this. Let me show you guys. So it also have like a little area right there. Oh, you can't probably see it, but it have like lines. So you can actually put like your little notes on the side. But this is one of my favorite items. I love to Bible journal and love this. Hey guys, that was the last of my favorite items and that I have been enjoying so far. Talk to y'all later. See you in the next video. Bye guys.